Nobody. Don't worry, Daddy. We will bail you out. If you ever wondered what a circumstance would look like where a 10-year-old boy would say that to one of the fellas, who apparently is his dad, take a look at this.
Okay.
What did you get locked up for?
Give me 1 second now. Okay. I can go ahead and tell you the charges. Okay. All right, man. Right now you're gonna jail.
Don't start that.
Ag assault by strangulation, okay, as well as false imprisonment, okay. What we're gonna do here is I'm not the original. Calm down, man. Okay, calm down.
Stop it. Stop, boy. Stop, boy. Look now.
Hey, chill out.
Okay.
Chill out. Let him go.
No.
Let him go.
All right. Okay. Ag assault. Yeah. Okay. And now, like I said, I'm not the initial officer. However, the initial officer is over at the jail, right there by the jail at least, and he's willing to meet us at the jail and have a conversation with you if you wish to do so. Okay. But however, understand this, that you are under arrest. Okay. All right. And we will Mirandize you if you wish to speak with the other officer. Okay. But understand that anything you say be used against you. Okay, anything you say or do can't be used against you in court of law, okay? So understand that.
Chill.
Like I said, do you wish to speak with...
Talk to my son.
Okay.
Why he get locked up for?
Talk to my son.
Best thing to do is for us to go ahead and leave, okay?
Chill.
He's going to jail for ag assault.
But she was at my sister's house. Go back.
No.
But why she not doing that?
Go ahead and come back to the car. Go ahead. Go ahead. Okay.
Why she
Go ahead and take him. Don't go.
You going to jail!
Come on.
You going?
Somebody, please come get me out, man.
Yeah, but you can't do
What?
I got to work, man.
Don't do it, man.
What?
Okay.
What?
But I'm
All right.
you go back now.
What?
Why are you trying to fight? Why she not getting locked up and she came with my sister's house fighting my brother?
Okay. That's not what happened. That's not what his...
Man, stop now!
Don't do that. Don't run my officer.
Okay.
Don't do that.
Yes,
Back up! Back up now! Everybody back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up!
Why y'all doing this?
Stop! Stop!
Man, let him go!
We back up! Back up! Back up! Stop!
Okay, fine.
Stop resisting! Stop resisting! Back up! Help me here.
Sorry.
Calm down!
Sorry.
Calm down, man! Calm down! You're gonna calm down for a second. You're gonna put handcuffs on, okay? You're not going to jail. You're not. Stop.
I'm sending it to your officer.
Okay?
I'm sorry.
You need to, okay? Understand.
Yes, sir.
You don't run another police officer. Okay? Let go.
Can I go to jail?
No. Okay? You good?
Yes.
Calm down.
Yes, sir.
You got him?
Okay.
You good, man? Come on. You good?
Yes.
Okay, listen. If I let you up, we're going to stand up. We're going to have a conversation, okay? I don't need you running around like that. I don't need you.
Sorry,
Okay. He attacks my officer. Okay? Back up. Everybody back away from my vehicle. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back away from my officer and everybody.
Don't put it in. Don't put it in.
You want to go to jail?
I ain't shit in the court.
You so unprofessional right now. You so unprofessional. You're unprofessional.
I'm trying to have a conversation.
But we're going to let you period. Yeah, we're going to push my let you period.
They're gonna call your mom, okay?
my daddy phone.
We're gonna get it. We're gonna get.
What my daddy do?
Okay.
He didn't do that.
Don't worry about that, okay, man? Don't worry about that, okay? You need to be there. Okay, you need to be there for your dad, okay? You gonna come down and see him? Okay. Come on.
I want the phone.
I ain't got his. He need his own phone to get the numbers out.
Okay. They got your mom's number. You gonna say bye? Hold on, we're gonna roll down the window.
Daddy, can I see your phone? Can I have your phone? Because I want to call Peter to bail you out.
He's back there.
No, ma'am, he's not.
Because
Not
I'm
right here.
probably on my police all he done tore up.
All right, so what all happened? So he came here and then what?
I was in the room. I was in the room.
Uh-huh.
He started tripping out, so he went out the back door. Then they told me, Mama, can you help throwing all your food out the door?
Mm.
So I went in there. I said, Kendra, why are you doing that? Stop it.
And he's your nephew, right?
And
He's throwing
He
all
had me
kinds of stuff
crazy.
everywhere? Okay. You mind if we come in and look?
it's out here on the back.
Okay. On the back porch?
Yeah,
I saw
come on.
eggs and stuff back there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I didn't just need my mom out here. I just need him out the street. He should have a wrist with his parole officer.
I'm so nervous.
Yeah, go sit down.
Just look at him. A whole bag of sugar, he just slung it out here. He threw all this out here. He tore this open. And he broke my table, look.
That glass table?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, 41.
And was just like food and stuff he was throwing over here?
Yeah, he threw milk and everything out here. I don't even see the gallon of milk.
He probably threw it all the way over there in that field. He probably in them trees.
We couldn't see him directly where we were at. And I didn't hear anything, so I don't. If he's here, he's not close. Okay. So.
Huh? I said he broke my table.
Yeah. All right. So let's come back over here and come back outside. Okay. Shit. That was your nephew. Yeah. Should live here? Well, I'm about to wait for them to come outside and so I can ask more questions.
All right. I thought you were
No,
talking
man, I'm sorry. All right, so if you want to have some, we can just talk, okay? All right, so he's your nephew, right?
Right.
Okay. Has he been living here? Because his address in our system has this.
He used to stay here. When he got on drug, I put him out.
Okay.
And he got out. And he